Welcome back to the web series of cardiovascular system. In the last session, we discussed about the anatomy of cardiovascular system. Next, we move into the physiology. The cardiovascular system transports nutrients, oxygen and hormones to the tissues and remove the products of tissue metabolism. It also helps in homeostasis by regulating body fluid balance and body temperature. These functions are achieved by altering the amount of blood pumped by the heart and by changing the diameter of the blood vessel. Cardiovascular system consists of the heart that pumps blood into circulation and a vast network of blood vessels that carries blood into all parts of the body. Cardiac muscle fiber. The cardiac muscle fiber is cylindrical, longitudinal, striated and branched with a single nucleus. At the region where two adjacent branches meet, there is a gap junction is present. Through the gap junction, there is a flow of ions, that is action potential, from one muscle fiber to the next. Properties of cardiac muscle. The properties of cardiac muscle include excitability, rhythmicity, conductivity, contractility, and distensibility. Excitability is the ability or property of cardiac muscle fiber to get excited by a stimulus or impulse. Contractility is the ability of cardiac muscle fiber to get contract due to excitation. Rhythmicity is the ability of specialized cardiac muscle fiber to produce impulse by its own rhythm. This is known as autorhythmicity. The conduction system of heart. Components of a cardiac conduction system include sinoatrial node or SA node, internodal pathways, atrioventricular node or AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. SA node is a small flattened strip of specialized cardiac muscle situated immediately below the opening of superior vena cava in the right atrium. It is supplied by the right vagus. The SA node contains small rounded cells called P cells, which are the pacemaker cells of SA node. P cells have the property of self-excitation and can spontaneously generate action potentials. Even though all parts of the conducting system can generate impulses, SA node discharges most rapidly, so depolarization of other parts of the conducting system occurs before they discharge spontaneously. Hence, SA node is considered as the pacemaker of heart. The impulses which originate from the SA node spread to the entire atria and returns to the AV node. The internodal atrial pathways. Conduction is more rapid in some bands of atrial fibers. These bands conduct impulses at a faster rate of AV node and are called the internodal pathways. These are anterior internodal tract of Bachmann, middle internodal tract of Wenge-Bach and posterior internodal tract of Thorel. AV node and bundle of His. AV node is located in the posterior wall of right atrium immediately behind the tricuspid wall. It is supplied by the left vagus. Structure of AV node is similar to SA node, but the number of P cells is less and hence rate of impulse production is also less. AV node and bundle of His is the only conducting pathway between atria and the ventricles. This is because the atrial muscle fibers are separated from the ventricular muscle by a fibrous tissue ring, which does not have the property of conduction. Impulses reaching the AV node are not immediately transmitted to bundle of His. There is a delay of 0.08 to 0.1 second, which is called the AV nodal delay. This is important because atria get enough time to empty blood into the ventricles. AV node is continuous with the bundle of His, which is about 20 mm long. It originates from the ventricular surface of AV node and runs along the right border of interventricular septum for a very short distance. Soon it gives off a left bundle branch at the top of the interventricular septum and continues as a right bundle branch. The left bundle branch divides into an anterior fascicle and a posterior fascicle. The Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers are fast conducting very large fibers and are present subendocardially. Purkinje system has the maximum number of tight junctions. They pierce the myocardium for a short distance from endocardium and blend with the myocardium. So, the direction of impulse conduction is always from endocardium to epicardium. Since the velocity of conduction of action potential in Purkinje system is about 4 to 6 times that of ventricular muscle fibers, the cardiac impulse is instantaneously transmitted to the entire ventricular muscle. The cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is defined as the sequence of electrical and mechanical events that occur in the heart during a single heartbeat. Duration of one cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. When the heart rate is increased, duration of the cardiac cycle decreases. Phases of cardiac cycle. Systole is a period of contraction of heart and diastole is the period of relaxation of the heart. Cardiac cycle consists of atrial systole and diastole and ventricular systole and diastole. The duration of various phases of cardiac cycle is as follows when the heart rate is 72. Atrial systole 0.1 second, atrial diastole 0.7 second, ventricular systole 0.3 second and the ventricular diastole 0.5 second. Atrial systole. The atrial systole occurs following the impulse production in the SA node. It occurs in the last part of ventricular diastole. Ventricular systolic events. It includes isovolumetric contraction or isometric contraction, rapid ejection and slow ejection. Isometric or isovolumetric contraction. The systole of ventricle occurs after its diastole. At the beginning of its contraction, AV valves close. During contraction, there is no change in the length of ventricular muscle fiber, but there is increase in pressure within the left and right ventricles. The pressure within the left ventricle become 80 mm of mercury and in the right ventricle become 8 mm of mercury. The semilunar valves are forcefully opened. Rapid ejection phase. When the semilunar valves open, blood from the left and right ventricle get ejected into aorta and pulmonary artery at high speed. Slow ejection phase. During this phase, the remaining amount of stroke volume, that is 30%, get ejected into aorta and pulmonary artery at a slow speed. Ventricular diastolic events. It includes protodiastole, isometric or isovolumetric relaxation, rapid filling, slow filling and last rapid filling. Protodiastole. During this phase, the semilunar valves close to prevent the backflow of blood from aorta and pulmonary artery towards the left and right ventricles. Isometric or isovolumetric relaxation. During this phase, both left and right ventricle relax and there is no change in the length of the ventricular muscle fiber, but there is decrease in blood pressure within the left and right ventricle. This causes the opening of atrioventricular valves. Rapid filling. During this phase, the process of filling is very rapid. Slow filling phase. During this phase, atria and ventricle act as one unit and the filling is very slow. Last rapid filling phase. This is due to atrial systole. After slow filling period, atria contract, a small amount of blood enters the ventricles from the atria and the cycle is repeated. The atrial systole is also called last rapid filling phase. About 10% of ventricular filling takes place during this phase. Atrial diastole. During atrial diastole, atrial muscles relax and blood flows into the atria from the great veins. Heart sounds. Heart sounds are the sounds produced by the mechanical activities of the hearts during each cardiac cycle. Phonocardiography is a technique of recording the sounds produced by the heart. The sounds produced by the heart is picked up by the phonocardiograph and can be amplified. The sounds are produced in the heart due to the following reasons: vibrations of the valve cusp during closure, contraction of the cardiac muscle, turbulence of blood flow through the chambers of heart. By phonocardiography, 4 sounds can be recorded from the heart. By using stethoscope, only 2 sounds can be heard clearly. First heart sound. The first heart sound is heard in the isometric contraction phase and maximum ejection phase. It's due to the closure of atrioventricular valve. The quality of the sound is soft and low pitched with long duration. It can be compared to a lub sound. The sound is heard best in the area of apex beat and the part is called mitral area. Second heart sound. Second heart sound is due to the closure of semilunar valve. It's a high-pitched, sharp and short sound duration of 0.11 second. It can be compared to the sound dub. Third heart sound. Third heart sound is diastolic sound. Atrial blood flows into the ventricle rapidly in the early part of ventricular diastole, and this gives rise to third heart sound. This sound is not heard normally using a stethoscope. If the third heart sound is audible, then the rhythm resembles the gentle gallop of a horse and is called a gallop rhythm or triple rhythm. Causes of third heart sound: opening of atrioventricular valve, vibration set up in the ventricular valves due to a rush of blood flow into the ventricles during rapid filling phase. Fourth heart sound. Fourth heart sound is produced by atrial contraction and is a late diastolic sound. It can never be heard using a stethoscope and can only be recorded. It is a soft sound of short duration recorded during atrial systole.